Morning guys, super excited. Today's the day. Last trip in the old girl. We're off to get the new rig. 5 months and today's the day. Bloody hell, I'm excited. Can't wait to get this new rig. So come on, let's go pick her up. Yeah, Y62. G'day guys, Carla from Ever Go Travel. G'day from a week ago. This section will be jump forward, back, whatever it is, which way it goes, back. Week out from picking up my new Patrol. So what I want to do, I want to show you all the cool gear that I've been stockpiling. Give you a little bit of a rundown of what we're going to be doing to it straight up. With the way the world is at the moment, it's been an absolute nightmare to get gear. I do have a heap of stuff going on this. I've got a heap of stuff here. I've still got a heap of stuff on the way. I've had ups and downs and nightmares and you name it. If it could go wrong, it did go wrong, but we're coming to the other end of it. The car's almost here. Most of the gear's here. So let's have a look. What do we got? First up, Stedi. Can't go wrong with Stedi gear. Didn't really get any new lights for it this time. I've got all the new interior lights to go on it. I've got some lights for the tailgate. I've got some LED reverse lights because they are bloody awesome. Just got a wiring harness switch, headlight adapter and all that. So the idea with all the Stedi gear is, I'm just going to give the spotlights a clean up. Going to reuse the spotlights for now. Once all the bar work's on, then I'll decide if I want to change them and how we're going to go. But right now, we'll just give them a birthday and we'll reuse them. So as you guys have seen, all the rear setup of the Fortuner has been pulled out, stripped, the drawer, the fridge slide, the old fridge, it's all gone, sold it all. I went and got myself some new gear. So I got myself a new awesome 60 litre companion fridge. And this time I'm going to try something different power wise. So I'm not going to permanently mount a dual battery in the Patrol. What I am going to do though, I've also got myself a companion Rover lithium 70 ampere power station. So my idea is that I'm just going to put the rear section of a false floor in, going to have some tie down points for the fridge, going to tie that lithium battery pack in the back, and everything should be easily modular to pull in, pull out. Because that was my biggest problem with the Fortuner is once I put all that gear in there, whilst I did use it predominantly, I couldn't use the car for anything else and it made it a nightmare. So gonna be a bit more flexible this time and have a few more options, and I reckon this will be a good thing. I've been stockpiling parts in this spare room that I've got for months now. I couldn't be building a Y62 Patrol without something from this bloke. Anyone that has a Y62 Patrol, I'm sure knows David Dash or have heard of Dash Off-Road. I've got myself a set of Dash bash plates, 3D mats ready to go in the car, big boot mat. That was actually good to get the boot mat. So getting the boot mat painted a picture of how big the back actually is, so I've got quite a bit of space to play with, so I'm looking forward to that. One of the biggest things I found an issue is trying to get parts during these times was an absolute nightmare. Wheels were an absolute nightmare, but we ended up with these KMC messes. So matte black rim with a polished lip. I actually really like these wheels here. They've really grown on me. And they were, in all honesty, they were not even on my radar. So what happened with wheels, I bought a set through a shop in Melbourne. They said, yep, we've got them, we'll send them to you. And then rang me a couple of days later, said, no, we can't get them. Went through a heap of shops locally, same thing. I paid for 3 different sets of wheels, ended up getting refunded on them all because everyone that said they could get wheels could not get them. So I've got heaps more gear to come still. Got a UHF rocking up, brand new model from Uniden, so that should be cool. Looking forward to having a play with that. Hopefully I can get the mirror bracket. I'm hoping that rocks up for the aerial before then, but if not, we'll dodge something up and make it work anyway. Exhaust is on its way. How can I buy a V8 and not have it sound like a V8? Don't know how I'm going to tie this video into the pickup video of the Patrol, but either way, you should have seen my Y62 Series 5 Patrol by now, and I'm sure my smile will be bigger than what it is right now. There'll be heaps of content coming up, so stay tuned, and all sorts going on. It'll be a full rig build. As always, I'll be doing most of the work myself in the garage, showing you that it is possible. You don't need to be a mechanic. By all means, I am far from a mechanic. Now, if there's anything specific you want to know about any of this gear that's going in or anything I'm doing, shout out, leave a comment below. I'll answer all your questions. Anything you want to specifically see, because I'm going to do a video on everything that I'm doing. Anyway, next time you see me, we'll be walking into Nissan picking up a brand new Y62. Righto guys, see you then. Yeah. Y62. I love this thing. I feel like me and this car are not going to have a good relationship with fuel consumption. So Y62 Patrol, that's what we bought. Why? Well, not gonna lie, the main reason, that's it right there. She's big, she's plush, she's hideous in ways. What a weapon. How good's that chrome, eh? More space than we know what to do with. Oh, lucky I didn't check that. That was just by chance that opened without hitting. But yeah, she's absolutely massive. Just really a luxury car. But in Happy Go Trail fashion, it will be a complete four-wheel drive. It's going to be lifted, it's going to have big tyres, it's going to have heaps of gear. What do you reckon, Becky?
I think there's like a pad thing in there that moves.
Oh yeah, it's got like lumbar support.
Yeah.
They're for old blokes, these cars. They're for old blokes like me.
I was trying to figure out what this thing was because I feel it moving in the back.
It's comfy. It's nice. It's very nice. Alright, so the main reason I bought a Y62 Patrol really is the inner bogan in me just wanted to own a big V8. Well, that's nice. Gas struts. Holy dooly, that's big. LED headlights. God, I love them. I do love the look of the new front end of them. There's things I like. There's things I don't like about them too, like all the chrome on it. I don't like the chrome, but I can live with that. The wood grain, like, come on Nissan, let Grandpa retire. You know? Wood grain's done. No one wants wood grain. Soft, plush leather seats. Don't know if that's a good thing yet. So much space. Like the infotainment stuff, that's outdated. Other than that, it's got everything that ticks the box to be an awesome four-wheel drive. Right. Soak her in because this will be the last time she says stock. So what do we have in store for the big girl? So much gear is coming, so many parts. I've already got a lot of stuff here already, but quick rundown, we're gonna have a wheel carrier on the back. We're gonna get a set of 35s under it eventually. New set of wheels and tyres are going on it today. I've got some awesome big O rock sliders coming for it. Gonna have dash bash plates under it, so the dash plates are already here. Gonna do something a little bit different with the front bar. Got a new style bar coming for it, so that will be awesome. Pretty much, I can't wait to start cutting this thing up. Can't wait to start modifying it. Bloody hell, I'm excited. It is such a cool car. It is a monster. That's it, eh? Y62 Patrol. Love it, hate it. Let me know. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. A heap of you guessed it. A few of you, I'm sure, are surprised would be buying a Nissan, buying a petrol. There's a heap of reasons why you wouldn't buy one of these, but for me, I'm still in love with it at the moment. So modification wise, of course, we're going to document everything. We're going to have articles, videos, etc., you name it. So definitely stay tuned if you're interested in that. So love it, hate it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Feel free to comment them below. Of course, if you like what you see, if you're keen to see my Y62 build, feel free to subscribe. And until next time, guys, go travel.